Okay.
Okay. What does WC stand for anyway?
WC stand for word count. Like if
Word
you want
count.
to count the words of a file or any data of any file, we can do this.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's move to the sort command. What is sort command? For sorting purpose, I will have to just create a file like ls. Okay. cdsam ls rm. Simply, this command is for sorting. Like we can see, arrange the input taken from the standard input, and we just sorting, simply sorting the result, whatever the result we have. So what we will do, sort is a command. So command name, and after that file name, and our file name is name. Okay. So you will find out that what is the order of this, and when I will press cat name, now you can see the order, what is the exact order, original order, and what we are getting as a result right now. So this is how a sort command works. It also comes with some options like -r, -n, -u. Okay. Like Control L, sort -r, and name. So it's in reverse order, like from S, R, P, N, L, E, B, and A. It's in reverse order, and if you remove the -r, it will be in uh, alphabetical order. After that, we have N. For N, we have to create some numeric values. So vi num, and just some random numbers like 6, uh, 9, 4, 6, 3, 4, 2, 7. For this, just sort -n, and what is the file name? Num 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 6, 7, and 9. So this is how we can sort the file. We can use sort for sorting. We have -u also. So let's take what is -u. So vi name, and we have Suraj, Raj. So what I'm doing, just more Raj here, and one more Suraj. Okay, wq clear. And now what I will do, I will sort this file with -u. -u is for ignoring the uh, repeated data or repeated lines. If there is any line which is repeating or any data is repeating, what we will use? We will use -u and sort -u and after that name. So as I told you, uh, there is a Viraj, everything is there like Ram, Raj, Suraj. But what is the exact or original file? So if I cat name, this is the original file. So this is how a sort command works. Okay.